How to do send it on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can do send it on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to do send it on Snapchat, you have to make sure to download the Send It application that is available from your Play Store. So open up your Play Store, just go ahead and type in Send It, and then just make sure to actually download this application here. Once you've downloaded it, open it up. It'll ask you to sync with your Snapchat account, so you might want to go ahead and do that. Now what you want to do is you can see a default Send It that you can find over here, or you can just choose any of the other ones, such as see any of the other AR games, whatever else you might want to send it over here. Once you've done that, just tap the play option. As you've done that, it will directly load the interface in the Snapchat application right over here, as you would be able to send it. You'll be able to go ahead and then actually make whatever customizations you want. You can just select a photo, or you can go ahead and select a link to reply. Click the next option, just enter your question, whatever else you prefer, and then you can send it to your friends. This way you can do is send it on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.